Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be unboxing these two special edition hypercars from, how do you pronounce that? Maisto, whatever. Yeah, these are a 1 through 18, it's a 1 in 18 scale replica. So it's 1/18 of the actual size, which is still pretty insane. Now, I'm going to be unboxing these one by one and seeing if this is the kind of content you guys like. And also just, something fun to mix it up a little. Now, let's get into it. So guys, right here, we have the Lamborghini Scion FKP 37. Pretty nice. This is I think it's Lamborghini's newest Lamborghini. I think it might be like $3-4 million, and pretty sure it's electric. So that's pretty cool. I don't know if you guys like electric cars. Personally, I like gas-powered cars. They sound better, and I don't know, electric, just not really for this time yet, I don't think. But over here we got the Bugatti Divo in red. I don't know, a little stand. And if you guys have been here for a while, not a while, but since I started this channel, I did a video on showing you all my cars, and I actually, I actually have a Bugatti Divo right here, but in gray and blue. Pretty nice. Also got two Audi R8s there. And I think the Audi R8 is probably one of the most crashed supercars. Not sports car. Don't really know what it classifies as, but I feel like it crashes a lot. Now let's see, which one should we start with? Let's start with the Bugatti Divo. Save the best for last, So let's see. A pretty nice car, actually. I'm more so of a fan of the Bugatti Chiron, but this baby's pretty cool, if you ask me. Now let's see. I do have a couple of lights hanging around, Now let's see. Where should we start on this? So let's push this out of That did not go as planned. Hope you guys can see it okay. I think you should be able to. Yeah. You can see it. So let's see. Let's push this one out of the way. Save it for last. And then we got it right here. So, I'm not the best at this. Yeah. So, sorry about that. Let's continue. So, might need to get a pair of scissors. Let's just check this baby out first. What the? Let's see. Is there an opening on this? Oh, come on. Yes. Come on. Yeah, baby. And then just open that up. Oh my. Oh, there it is. Hope you guys can see it okay. It's right in there. Pretty nice. No, hold up. Let's get that light on it. Oh. That looks nice. Now let's Let's pull it out. Oh my. Wow. I love the fresh, like, Bugatti straight out of the package. Wow. That is insane. Let me make sure, really, I might not have a lot of content for the next 20 seconds, but, oops, can't really see the front. Let me just, no, you probably can. Wow, that is a cool car. Let's see the back. Oh my, look at those, like, all those headlights right there. The wing. Wow. The exhaust tips are insane. Oh my. Wow. Now I'm actually gonna cut to when I get scissors really quick. I'm gonna go grab them because I forgot to get them because I'm dumb. But I'll see you guys in a second. And I'm back. So, got the scissors right here. If you guys ever use scissors, do not use scissors without adult supervision because you could cut a finger off. No, I'm not joking. You actually could. So let's see. How should we do this? Should I do it with the power of editing? Ooh, I always like the power of editing. Ooh, you know, I think we're gonna do that. Hold up, wait. I gotta sneeze. Chew! Ew! Ooh. Wow, it worked! Look! It's gone right here. I love the power of editing. It's so much easier than doing it yourself, you know? And I wanted to save this for ASMR. You know, can you guys see this okay? I think you can, yeah. Let's see. ASMR time. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Got one more right here. Don't know what this is for. Oh, it's probably keeping the hood. Yeah, I think it's keeping that hood closed. Ooh. What? Bro, I left like a little... Hold up. 1 second, let's see. Let me just grab my shirt and clean it off. Huh. Sorry, guys. It's a little sticky. Might have been from all the heat, you know? Hold up. Let me clean it really quick. There you go, man. I'll clean it better later, but I think it's good for right now, you know? Now, let's see. I don't think we need these scissors anymore. But wow, look at that. Let's open up this door really quick. Just making sure you guys can see it. Ooh, look at that interior. Pretty nice. The detail on it is insane. Yeah, wow. Let's open up the hood, see what's in it. Come on, open. Ooh. That looks cool. Ooh. Yeah, let's check out that back. Yeah, wow, that is cool. Sorry, it's a little off-center there, but yeah, wow. So, if the comments haven't been working on my videos, I'll try to fix that, but if the comments do work eventually, please comment down below what you rate this car, 1 out of 10. And between you and me, you guys are allowed to go over 10 if you like, because I think I'm rating this an 11. But yeah, pretty cool. Bugatti Divo. Nice tires as well. Look at the Bugatti Caliber right there. Hold up, let me... Right there in there, the Bugatti. Okay, I think it's time for our second... Oh my gosh, wait, hold up. It says Devo on the little, what's it called? Gas cap right there. Wow. Well, yeah, that's a nice car. Okay, time for the next one, which is the Lamborghini Scion. Scion? I think it's spelled Scion, but it's pronounced Scion, right? I don't know, but let's unbox it. Let's see. Yep, same as the other one. Just gotta get your nail in there. Come on. Why do I feel like the Bugatti was so much easier? There we go. And then... Come on. Oh, there we go. It's all open there. Hold up. Quick check. You guys can see this, right? Yeah. If I just move it over like to there. And then... Open up the hatch and whoa, there it is. The Lamborghini Scion. Oh, wait, it's a little low for you guys right now. There, probably can see it a little better. Yeah. Well, let's pull it out. Come on. Oh, it's stuck on the lip right there. Ooh. Okay, wow. That is cool. Hold up, let me push it so you guys can see it better. Wow. Look at that. That is insane. Look at that. Oh my. Bro. I think this is the coolest car that I have. Wow. You know what? Forget the power of editing. We're doing this straight on camera. Oh my. Let's see. So, just gonna cut it right there. And then shift it over. And pull it out. There we go. I'm going to be super careful here. There we go. I think that's what was holding the wheel back. Yeah. Maybe. Ooh. Where's the best place to cut this? Maybe if I... Sorry, guys. It might go out of view for a second. That's why I cut it. I'm trying to be super careful here. As you should be when you do stuff like this, but there we go. I think I got it. Let's see, can you guys see? Yeah. Wow. This is a beauty. Oh, look at those doors. Oh my, it even says Scion right there. Wow. Oh my, hold up. Let's open this baby up. Ooh. Those are some high doors. Does the trunk open? Oh! What is that? Is that even a trunk? Hold up. Is that your trunk? Really? Huh. It's not the best trunk, but, you know, it's a thought that counts. Sorry, just checking something. And does the back open? Oh my goodness. Wow. I don't really know. Like, I'm not that big of an engine guy, but for any of you who are, there you go. Lamborghini Scion V12. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, wow. That back is just insane. If you guys could feel this, oh my. Bro, I knew I was gonna be doing this today, and like, each time my fingers would get greasy, I would wash them. I'm like, bro, I'm not touching this thing with greasy fingers. Like, oh my. This thing is so pretty. I think there's like a light kit for this. And like, you could put like a little ledge strip right here, and it would light up. And like, that would be so cool. Yeah, wow. Look at that. It looks like a race car, does it not? Oh, there you guys have it. The oops, one sec, sorry. Can't really see it. Lamborghini Scion and the Bugatti Divo. Wow. Those are two really cool cars. And here, one sec. There are both of their boxes that they came in. Come on, go in box. Sorry guys, it's taking a little longer than I anticipated. Okay, there we go. So, these are the boxes they came in. 2 special editions. Oh, you guys can't even see them. There we go. 2 special editions. Wow. These are some cool cars. And like, between these 2 cars in real life, I think they're like, what? Probably $7 million? 6? I would say 6 through 8 million, probably. But wow. Like, what color even is this? It's like a green mixed with like brown, and then you got the copper rims. Wow. It's all like sparkly. Wow. Well, thank you guys for watching this video, and please hit that like button and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. And I'm gonna be trying to do a video longer, as it should be, not just shorts. I'm gonna try to do it like every other day, but if I'm not doing anything on that day, expect a short at least once a day. Okay? Yeah, there you have it, guys. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya. Merch plug! God, this thing is so comfy. Can't wait to start selling it. I might sell it in like if anything, a year, but like, wow. Like, has the name, the icon, and it's so soft too. And it's also in my favorite color. Wow. Well, if you guys ever want to be in a video, just comment on one of the videos, and I usually read them every day, so if you see it, I'll tell you when. But like, 3 subs away from 50 subs. Then I'll be doing VR and live. So like, on live, you guys could I'll tell you what game I'm playing, and like maybe do a join code or something, you know, in Bed Wars. But yeah, anyway, just thank you guys for watching this video. Hit that like button and subscribe, and you just have to consider subscribing. I'm not making you subscribe. I'm just saying, like, if you like these videos, you know, kind of pay your respect by subscribing, you know? And also hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Once again, see you in the next one. See ya.